So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and now under it you want to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you just want to keep this on the default options like how it is on my screen, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.